Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a quick lesson where I'm going to also talk about the text structures. You have a video as well, but I wanted to go ahead and discuss it with you as well. All right, so identify the text structure used by the author. There are 5 common types of text structures found in nonfiction writing, and they include description, which is just describing something or explaining what something is, sequence, in which you explain the events that something happens in, or historical events in order, compare and contrast, where you talk about how things are the same and different, cause and effect, where you talk about what causes something and its effect, and finally, problem and solution. So let's see if we can determine the text structure being used. This section is about the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln and President John F. Kennedy. The author has included many facts about how the assassinations were similar, but he also includes some facts about how they were unique as well. They're talking about being similar and unique, which is a synonym for different, and similar is a synonym for same. So I think this is compare and contrast because they're talking about how they are the same and also how they are different. The book names 8 peaceful protests that Martin Luther King Jr. led beginning in 1965 until his death in 1968. The author describes the major events of each protest. Because I noticed they're telling about these events in order, in other words, in sequence, I think the text structure is sequence. A lot of nonfiction about history is in sequence because we're talking about what happened first and then next and then later. This article details the negative outcomes that occur when children mainly drink soda and fail to consume the recommended amount of milk each day. So this is a tricky one. Look really carefully. It's cause and effect because it's saying that drinking soda causes health problems and what the effect of drinking soda is, what those health problems are. But notice it doesn't list a solution. Be really careful when you're choosing cause and effect or problem and solution. In cause and effect, you're just talking about what is the cause and what happens as a result. Problem and solution will actually have a solution. So look at this one. The author of this article describes the harmful effects that can result from a head injury sustained while playing soccer or football. He also describes the steps that can be taken to prevent and minimize these long-term effects. So notice that they're talking about the problem, getting head injuries, and some solutions. That's why I can call it problem and solution.